Hello friends, today I will explain how to find the equation of angle bisectors between two lines. So let us assume that L1 and L2 are two lines and equation of the line L1 is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and equation of line L2 is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then what will be the equation of angle bisector between L1 and L2? So that will be a1x plus b1y plus c1 divided by a1 square plus b1 square is equal to plus minus a2x plus b2y plus c2 divided by square root of a2 square plus b2 square. So from this equation it is very clear that there will be two angle bisectors between two lines. So if we really see how it happens, so one line bisector will be this line and other bisector line would be this line. And if we see this angle between L1 and L2, this is the acute angle. Suppose this line is we call as B1. So equation of B1 is acute angle bisector between lines L1 and L2. And suppose we call this line as B2 and this angle is obtuse angle. So B2 equation of B2 is called as obtuse angle bisector between lines L1 and L2. Now next question arises, how to decide which one is acute angle bisector and which is obtuse angle bisector. So for that it is very simple, but what we have to do for that, first we have to make C1 and C2 greater than 0. Means this C1 and C2 should be greater than 0. Next step is we have to find out the value of A1 A2 plus B1 B2. If A1 A2 is positive, then in this formula if we take negative sign, then that will be the equation of acute angle bisector, and if we take positive sign, then that will be the equation of obtuse angle bisector. If A1 A2 plus B1 B2 is less than 0, if it is negative, then it is reverse. Means if we take positive sign in this formula, so that would be the equation of acute angle bisector. If we take negative sign in this formula, then that would be the obtuse angle bisector. Now I'll tell the trick how to remember it. It's very simple. You have to see the sign of A1 A2 plus B1 B2. If sign is negative, okay, then you have to take positive sign, means sign of A1 A2 plus B1 B2, and the sign we are going to take in this formula. If we multiply both the sign, it should be negative. Then it is the angle of acute angle bisector. If the sign of A1, A2, and if we multiply the sign of A1, A2 plus B1, B2 and the sign taken in this formula, and we multiply both the signs, if it is positive, then that will be the equation of obtuse angle bisector. Okay. So one more topic in this is angle bisector including origin. So what is that? Suppose L1 L2 are two lines and both the lines are intersecting. Then suppose origin comes in this area or in this area. Okay, and this is acute angle. Then the equation of acute angle bisector will include the origin. Okay, if origin is coming in this area or in this area, okay, then the equation of obtuse angle bisector contains the origin. Now next, how to find out? So this is also very simple. First we have to make the sign of C1 and C2 is positive, means C1 and C2 should be greater than 0. Then we have to take the positive sign and find out the angle bisector of lines L1 and L2. Okay, first C1 and C2 we have to make positive and we have to find the equation of angle bisector with positive sign. Then the equation what we find out will contain the origin. Okay, now we will take one example, and this question come in JEE 2004 it was asked. So the equation is, find the equation of the bisector of the acute angles between the lines 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 12x plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. So our first step is what? C1 and C2 should be positive. So if we see the first equation of this line, so in this if we assume that this is C1, so this is positive, so this is okay. But in the second line, this C2 is negative. So what we have to do here, we have to make C2 also positive. So first equation we have taken as it is, second equation we have multiplied with the negative sign. So equation of L2 is now minus 12x minus 5x plus 2. Now this C2 is also positive. Next step is we have to find out the value of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 from these two lines. So these are the two lines. So we have calculated here 3 into minus 12 plus minus 4 into minus 5. So this is becoming minus 36 plus 20 is equal to minus 16. Minus 16 is negative. So we have to take positive or negative sign. Because it is already negative, then we have to take positive sign in the formula. So how to calculate? 3x minus 4y plus 7 divided by square root of 3 square plus minus 4 square is equal to minus 12x minus 5y plus 2 divided by square root of minus 12 square is 144 plus minus 5 square is 25. So this will be 3x minus 4y plus 7 divided by, this is square root of 25 is 5, is equal to minus 12x minus 5y plus 2 divided by 144 plus 25 is 169. The square root of 169 is 13. Now if we solve it, this will be 39x minus 52y plus 13 into 7 is 91 is equal to minus 60x minus 25y plus 10. So further we solve it. So this will become 99x minus 27y plus 81 is equal to 0. So this is our final answer. Okay, so it's very simple. So we have to follow the step and we can solve all these type of questions. Okay, thank you.